Hi everyone, this tutorial is on how to quickly go to the search window in Outlook, File Explorer, and in any browser every time. You might have noticed that when you click in the search window in Outlook Classic, it does not immediately activate that to let you start typing, and you must click again, sometimes a couple times, which is quite frustrating. Even if you haven't experienced this problem, you can still use a keyboard shortcut to quickly activate the search window in Outlook Classic. You can also use it in File Explorer to activate the search bar and in a browser to do a quick Google search. This tutorial is shown in Outlook Classic and on Windows 11. On your keyboard, press the Control key and E key. Then you can quickly start typing. The same in File Explorer and in any browser. I hope this helps. If you like this tutorial, hit like, give us your comments, and share this video. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? Our upskilling program covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity. After getting the training, you will be saving 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463. You can also schedule a complimentary consultation from the homepage of our website, and we look forward to being of service.